Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can import AI builder into WordPress. So first of all, you can see we are at wordpress.com, and what we are going to do, we are going to recreate our website through AI builder. So how you can import that, right? Obviously. So first of all, you need to go at uh, you know your page, your AI builder page. So I'm just going to create a new tab and I'm just going to write AI website builder. And once you do that, you can see the first website is 10web.io. Click on it, it will open up a new tab and you will end up over here. So if you scroll down and the video, you can see over here how you can just recreate your website through your you know this website. So I'm just gonna do every single thing from over here, but so you just need to watch this video and you will end up doing every single thing very easily. So you can just start as free and there will be no credit card required, and obviously there are some pricing also, which we will talk about this later. And right now this is the website, and I'm just going to tell you, like, just log in with your Google account or anything. I have already my account, so there's no worry about that. So this is my account. You just need to create your account. It's very easy, and you have 14 days free access for now, and after that you just need to buy uh, premium version, right? So right now I'm just going to show you how you can do that. So I took some screenshots to easily tell you how you can do that. So first of all, you can see over here, this is the dashboard which you will see, which you will end up seeing once you log in, right? And you can see that we have an option for add website. You can just easily add website, uh, like from over here, or just click on plus. So right now we don't have any website, right? So if you click on that, you will end up over here and you are going to recreate that website, right, with AI builder. So just click on this and you can see the description, like build your website with AI assistants and edit them with the 10 web editor based on Elementor, which is also available on your WordPress, right? So we are not going to create a website, we are going to recreate it. So just click on this, go to next. It will take you right over here. So it will tell you, first of all, like, go to your WordPress and locate your plugins and search for 10 web manager and activate that plugin. So you need to activate, you are what are you going to do right now is connect your 10 web AI builder website with your WordPress. So once it connected, it would be very easy for your AI builder to recreate that website again and easily. So once you do that, you just go to your plugins, go to plugins and search for 10 web manager and install that and activate it. Simple as that. Once you do that, you will end up over here. Just search that, right? You will end up seeing this. So how you can see that, once you activate this is the 10 web manager. Once you activate this, you will end up on the you will end up seeing on the left side manager, like 10 web manager. You will see on the left side, right over here. Once you click on it, you will end up over here, click on connect, and it will start connecting to 10 AI web 10 web AI builder. So after that, it will give you an alert that you can now recreate your website using AI assistance and edit with 10 web editor. So once you do that, you will end up seeing your website over here. You can see over here like done. Just click on done and it's all going good right now. So it has been connected to your AI website builder and to your WordPress. So now you are going to recreate it, and from here it's very easy to understand. And what it does, go ahead, and once you click on done, you will end up over here. Click on enable now because it has been connected. Next thing is you will see this page. So here you are going to do every single thing. On the left side you can see recreate with AI templates. You have templates, also you have plugins, WordPress themes. If you want to add that, you can do that, and your overview. But once it's connected and you are here, you are going to paste your domain, whatever your website you are going to recreate. So we are going to add a page URL, home page URL over here. So once just say, let's just say we did that, right? Here it is, we did that. What next? So there will be an option over here which is called add more pages. So if I go ahead and show you, you can add all pages like home page, about page, service page, contact page. You can add all pages over here and click on recreate and import. Simple, right? What are you going to do over here? Like, you are going to collect your URLs which from your website, whatever your website is, and you are going to put that on AI website builder. So what AI website builder is going to do, they are going to recreate it, and after that it will show you this sign which is called AI assistant recreated your website and saved your hours of manual work. So they have already created your website. You just need to go ahead and edit any section with 10 web editor based on Elementor. Click on view and edit, and easily it will show up. So after that, go to your WordPress website, go to your pages where you can see all the pages, and just go ahead and click on edit with Elementor and start editing. So that's how you are going to recreate and import your AI website, you know AI website to builder to into WordPress. So I hope you understand every single thing. It's very easy process. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any queries or any question, please comment down below, let us know. We would be very happy to help you out, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.